Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. For this one, we can use about complementary solutions. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Next, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have lambda e to the power of lambda s, because if we do first the derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first the derivative of lambda s, you got lambda. And now we go to second derivative of yc, and we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Later that we go to third derivative of yc, and we have lambda to the power of 3 e to the power of lambda s. Now we put this one gone here, this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. Next, this one we can do about factorization, and we have like this. Now we need to find the solutions of this one. So for this one, we have lambda equals to number 2, lambda equals to negative number 2, lambda equals to number 4. And now we can get the final answer in here. So yc, and now we have y equals to yc, and we have c number 1, that is about constant number 1, e to the power of lambda s, and we need to change lambda into number 2. And then we have c number 2, e to the power of negative 2s, and c number 3, that is about e to the power of 4s. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.